Hola, my name is Nicely. Thanks for joining me here in Venice, California. We're standing at Dudley Market, Venice at Hooked Coffee and Wine. Today I'm going to be making you a drink called a Mr. Sawada. This is an homage to a friend of mine in Japan named Hiroshi Sawada. We're going to be using some matcha, some milk, some espresso, and some chocolate in a way that feels like a kitchen sink of awesomeness. We're going to start off with matcha. And we're going to sweeten up our matcha a little bit. And then we're going to need some ice. And then some milk. We're going to use some chocolate. And a fresh shot of espresso. Mr. Sawada.